Supercomputers are not full. Supercomputers are not full. Supercomputers are not full.
It looks like you lost another one.
Supercomputers are not because my dad will not answer my question. I was asking my dad if the definition of the word or the term computer qualifies as one who computes. Supercomputers are not. When I get mad, I say supercomputers are not. Supercomputers are not. When I get mad, I say supercomputers are not. I don't like my dad. I don't want to live with my dad. I want to live at the Kessler. I'm ashamed. What a freaking shame, cause supercomputers are not. Get it back. I'ma download a virus in my mind. Fry the computer of the mind. Download a virus in my mind. You are not gonna delete my channel. I get mad, so supercomputers are not. Supercomputers are not. I know that the video said the brain is the most powerful supercomputer, but supercomputers are not full. Supercomputers are not full. Supercomputers are not full. Yeah, gotta be so bad, cause supercomputers are not strong. Gotta be so bad, nobody is gonna talk to you. Gotta be so bad, gotta be so bad. I just say it when I mean I said enough and I got, and we got another, and my dad will not answer my question. And I'm not gonna break into his house with a gun. Supercomputers are weak. Supercomputers, they are not. They are not. They are not. I'ma tell you what I mean. In that bed, them bone is up, and I don't tell you what I mean. I'ma date you won't sink up on the trap. You won't make up on it, drop it. You won't throw it on the top. You will sew and you talk when you don't answer my question. Then I know, so you got when regret me all that question. And you know, you don't say I'ma break this fucking phone in the base. I don't know what I got to be so sad. Supercomputers are not. Supercomputers are not. Supercomputers are not. Supercomputers are not. Supercomputers are